The purpose of this video is to provide training to instructors who will train others within your organization to utilize the Binax Now test. Part 1 of this video will go over the safety measures that should be adhered to when proctoring the COVID-19 antigen card testing. Before establishing a test site, ensure that you have the appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Proctors will wear gloves, eye protection, and an N95 mask, which is the only authorized mask while proctoring, ensuring protection to the eyes, nose, and mouth from exposure to those being tested. Masks will be worn over the nose and mouth at all times. Protective eyewear must cover the front and sides of the eyes. This can be achieved with goggles, wraparound glasses, or a face shield. Face masks must be worn at all times to prohibit the proctor from touching his or her face. Hand washing should be performed after removing gloves. Additionally, hand washing should occur after removing an N95 face mask and before applying a cloth mask. Facilities housing COVID-19 antigen card testing should explore options to improve indoor air quality by increasing the air exchange rate, providing filtration, or directing airflow away from the proctoring table. If indoor air quality is unable to provide proper filtration, testing may occur outdoors to maximize air exchange around the testing table. Be cautious of inclement weather that can possibly move the testing card off of the testing table being utilized. Food and drinks, including sealed containers, are strictly prohibited in the testing area. A break area should be designed away from the testing area and include a hand washing station. Physical distancing measures should be adhered to in the break area. Additionally, masks should remain on at all times unless eating or drinking. Once complete, it should be promptly put back on. Part 2 will describe the process of collection. As a proctor, you are providing supervision and guidance of on-site self-collection of the COVID-19 antigen card test. Proper collection of the specimen is the most important step in the test procedure. A specimen not collected correctly may lead to false negative test results. Encourage the tester to get a good sample with the swab, which will be covered in Step 2. The first step in the collection process is preparing the card. Open the card and place it on a flat, level surface unaffected by the wind. Holding the reagent bottle vertically, approximately ½ an inch above the top hole, place 6 drops into the top hole. Do not let the bottle touch the card. Step 2 in the collection process is instructing on how to collect the sample. To collect a nasal swab sample, instruct the testee to carefully insert the entire absorbent tip of the swab into the nostril, advancing until resistance is met, which is usually less than an inch in. With the swab pressed against the nasal wall, rotate the swab 5 times or more. Slowly remove the swab and repeat the procedure in the other nostril. The goal is to collect as much material as possible from the nostril. Step 3 in the collection process is applying the sample to the card. Insert the sample into the bottom hole, advancing the swab tip until it is visible in the top hole. Rotate the swab shaft 3 times clockwise. Do not remove the swab. Peel off the adhesive liner from the right edge of the card. Close and seal the card, leaving it on a flat level surface. Do not remove the card from the flat level surface at any point during this process. Results should be read in 15 minutes, not before. Additionally, results should not be read after 30 minutes of obtaining the sample. Step 4 is interpreting the results. A negative specimen will give a single pink or purple line in the top half of the window. This shows that the detection part of the test was done correctly, but no COVID-19 antigen was detected. A positive specimen will give 2 pink or purple colored lines. That means COVID-19 antigen was detected. Specimens with low levels of antigen may give a faint sample line. Any visible pink or purple colored line is COVID-19 positive. The following are examples of invalid results. If an invalid result is to occur, the test should be repeated. If there is no control line visible, if a blue control line is only visible, if a pink or purple sample line is only visible, or if there's a blue control line with a pink or purple sample line. If a COVID-19 positive result is interpreted, follow the guidance from the Rhode Island Department of Health for reporting. Additionally, refer to the instruction cards provided with the test kits for more information. Please refer to the manufacturer's recommendations on proper storage of the test kits. Thank you for your time and attention to this video. If you are to have any further questions or requiring any further guidance, please contact the Rhode Island Department of Health. Thank you.